8 Kitchen floor remodeling mistakes homeowners must avoid. Are you considering replacing your kitchen floors as a step in your remodeling process? Unfortunately, many homeowners go into the floor replacement process with an overeager attitude and poor planning, so we're here to inform you of kitchen floor remodeling mistakes you should avoid. 1. Speeding through the process. When the day finally comes, remember not to rush through the process to get to the finish line. You can expect to feel eager about seeing the finished result, but going too fast often results in sloppy work and poor quality results. 2. Not factoring in color and lighting. For example, if you're working with a smaller space, having dark cabinets, furniture, and flooring could make the space feel tight, cramped, and uninviting. Working with a remodeling professional can help you make the best decision. 3. Not considering all flooring options. Another one of the most common renovation mistakes is choosing the first flooring option you find. You should consider all flooring types and do some research before deciding. Also, you can often get the same look that expensive flooring offers with a cheaper alternative, so keep your options and mind open. 4. Forgetting about the big picture. Think about your kitchen design long-term and whether it will last for years to come, as kitchen flooring requires varying maintenance, depending on the type you choose. 5. Not having a budget. Budgeting is perhaps the most essential aspect of the kitchen floor remodeling process. If you choose the most expensive or visually attractive type of flooring, you could have less to spend on other areas of your kitchen. 6. Completing the work without professional guidance. Licensed contractors often have years of expertise, professional resources, and the proper training to do the job correctly. You'll stress less about having a subpar finished product as professionals often provide service warranties and satisfaction guarantees. 7. Installing new floors before cabinets. This might not make sense to everyone, but replacing flooring is much easier when you're not worried about damaging cabinets above it. You can ensure everything lines up properly by installing your cabinets, then floors, with a trustworthy remodeling team. 8. Neglecting transitional areas. Depending on your property's layout, your kitchen floors could transition into the flooring for hallways and other neighboring rooms. If the flooring suddenly goes from one type to the next, it could look extremely awkward and unappealing. Essential kitchen remodeling considerations. Changing your kitchen flooring is only one step in your remodel. Consider these key tips to help you get the best results from your project. Always hire a professional electrician for wiring and appliances. Don't clutter up a small space with too many design elements. Remember to consider functionality and style. Have a plan. Start your next kitchen remodeling project with the help of JD Kitchens, Baths, and more. Now that you know what to avoid during kitchen flooring remodeling, count on our team to help your remodel go perfectly. Thanks for watching.